Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, Sarangi Darya, a song from movie Love Story, which is an upcoming Telugu movie, and it stars Naga Chaitanya and Sai Pallavi in the leading roles. And the movie is directed by Shekhar Kamala sir. And I know you guys have been saying to me that please check out the work of Shekhar Kamala sir. His previous works, his previous movies, because all of them are amazing. So I'm definitely gonna watch his one or two movies before watching this Love Story movie. And I know it is supposed to out very soon, but don't worry about it. Before this movie out, I'm definitely gonna watch his either one or two movies, whichever are available. So I'm definitely gonna check them out. And you guys have been requesting to react to this song, and this song came out today. And a special mention to Aparna Das. You have been requesting it like a lot. You have been commenting on my every video to react to this song. So guys, those who have you requesting, so here's the reaction of Sarangi Darya song from movie Love Story. So without wasting any time, let's just get to this song and then we're gonna talk about it. Shekhar Kamala film. Wow, nice folksy with western feel. There she is. Wow. Lovely folk music, guys. Lovely folk music. Whoa. That was a nice step. That is Shekhar Kamala sir, na? I think he is Shekhar Kamala sir. Very nice transition, when she did that step. Mangli. Wow, she gives a lot of expressions, so beautifully. Wow, look at those steps. Her smile is so nice, so lovely. Look at that energy. 16th April 2021, mark your calendar, guys. And I'm definitely gonna watch this movie. But before watching this movie, I have to watch a couple of movies of Shekhar Kamla sir, and you guys have already suggested me a lot of his movies, so I'm definitely gonna check out one of those, soon before this movie. I have to watch them, I have to watch it. And yeah, Sai Pallavi is quite a dancer, she is so lovely. I mean, first of all, she is so, she is so effortless in dancing, and the way she dances with so much energy and with so many expressions. See, she expressed herself very well, while dancing, and I really like that thing about her in this song. And I haven't seen her in any other song or her any other dance song, and this is the very first time that I'm seeing her dancing. And I have only seen her in a couple of teasers, especially Love Story teaser, so I have only known her for that, and this is the very first time that I'm seeing her dancing, and she just dances quite well. I'm really impressed by her dancing, and especially by her energy, because those steps which she was doing, those require a lot of energy, and she was doing it with so ease and with so effortlessness, nonchalantly, if you say so. That was really nice about it. And as it is a lyrical video, and I have been mentioning it a lot, I really like these lyrical videos from South Indian cinema, because they show behind the scene, like she was practicing those steps and the camera was moving, because when that transition came in the song, when she started doing that difficult step and the camera was moving, they showed the behind the scene of that, how it's been done and how everything is being done. So, and Shekhar Kamla sir was also present there. If I'm not wrong, he is Shekhar Kamla sir. By the look of it, he looks like he looks like a director, so that's why. So yeah, this was really nice. And the song, music of this song was really catchy, and the beats are really catchy. I mean, you can just feel yourself dancing to it, feel yourself giggling to it. So it is that kind of song, where whenever this song is being played, so you just can't stop shaking your legs or just moving your hands around. It is that kind of song. So, and now I finally know why you guys have been requesting to react to it. It is a very nice song, very lovely song, and I think this is the second or third song from this movie. I haven't checked out the previous songs from this movie, so I don't know anything about them. If you guys want me to react to those two, then please feel free to suggest them in the comments below. I would definitely love to check them out too, and hopefully there will be love songs, if I'm not wrong, because this is a love story. So maybe romantic songs, and I just like romantic songs a lot. So if they are a romantic song, then I'm already into them, so I would definitely check them out. So guys, this was my reaction to the official lyrical video of Sarangi Darya from movie Love Story, which will be out on 16th April. So mark your calendars for that. And if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push the notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. And then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until then, please keep watching, keep supporting.